This is gonna be interesting. I'm in a car. I just had my facial done. Probably I should not be putting makeup on, but I have things planned for today, so I have to put my makeup. And I brought my makeup case. So this makeup case I purchased from TikTok shop, and this has compartment for your brushes, and it's so huge. So I have everything I need today for my makeup, so let's begin. I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I can't do my eyebrows without using this stencil lately, so I'm gonna use my Benefit Precisely My Eyebrow pencil, and I'm just gonna fill it in, and I'm gonna do very lightly because in a couple hours I'm gonna take this makeup off to redo my makeup for the dinner. Today is Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna do something nice and special in the evening. But for now, I just want to have a little bit of presentable face on. I can't believe I'm doing this in the car. Okay, let's remove it, and they look perfect. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Dior. This is the Face and Body. And I'm using on this LYS brush. This is my favorite foundation. I love it. This is definitely good for mature skin. I am 49 years old, so this is definitely mature skin approved. Lancome concealer. I've been trying it for past couple days and I love it. And I apply a little bit on my eyelids. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using from Shein. And I'm going to use the same brush that I used for my foundation, because apparently I forgot to bring my bronzer, my cream bronzer brush. And the color I'm using, terracotta. A blush, I'm gonna use the Devoted from Shein. And I'm just gonna blend. Charlotte Tilbury. Just a little bit. My bronzer, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible. I'm going to use a little bit. Anyone else ever puts makeup in the car? I feel like it's so difficult because I'm using literally my phone as my mirror. And it's not that easy. So what I've been using lately, and I've been loving, what I do, I just take the bronzer on my big fluffy brush and I just apply all over my eyelid, and it gives me nice bronzy look on my eyelid, and kind of brings everything together. A little bit on the sides of my nose. This is really a makeup on a rush. And then for my blush, I'm going to be using the Benefit Crystal. I've been loving like this kind of blushes lately. They're extremely pigmented, so you gotta be very, very careful. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. I hope you have something special planned with your loved one, your significant other, and if you don't, I'm sure you're gonna be taking care of yourself. Just do some self-love. Sometimes you don't need no one else beside yourself. My highlight, I'm using the Romanova makeup. This is the diamond highlight. This is one of my favorite highlights. And, ooh. Like, what? This is stunning. My inner corners. Absolutely favorite product. I bought it from Shein. It's sold by somebody else. Look at this. This is just gorgeous. It's so sparkly and so shimmery. One of my favorite products. This is from Romanova Makeup also. This is a brand from Russia. She sells it all over the world. I'm gonna smoke out my bottom lash line a little bit. I'm gonna take the same shade and I'm just gonna darken up my outer corner a little bit. I curl my eyelashes. And I'm using my favorite mascara. This is by Benefit FanFest. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit. Look how nice this looks. This is just one coat of mascara. I have Charlotte Tilbury. And this is my quick makeup in the car. What do you guys think? Will do. Curled my hair yesterday at night. Slept on it, that's why the curl's a little bit looser. And here is my makeup